To the heart of Nanjing, where doctors are made, a place of hope where dreams cascade. With Omkar Medicom, your MBBS is secure. Together, we build a future, pure and sure. Here at Nanjing, skies feel wide. Knowledge and care where worlds collide. With every step on a sacred ground, a healer's purpose is finally found. From bustling canteens to the hospital halls, every corner echoes, ambition calls. Omkar Medicom lights the way to turn your MBBS passion into brighter days.
Nanjing Medical, where dreams take flight, guided by Omkar's shining light. From the classrooms to stars above, it's a journey of care, a labor of love. Together we rise, hand in hand, building futures on this promised land. Nanjing Medical, Omkar Medicom by your side. A bond of trust, a source of pride. Omkar Medicom and Nanjing Medical University, always by your side.
Through seasons of study, through summer's glow, Omkar ensures you're ready to grow. From visas secured to classrooms bright, they're there for you, day and night. Celebrating Diwali under foreign skies, finding friendship where culture ties. At Nanjing, you're never alone. Omkar Medicom's family feels just like home.
In every heartbeat, every smile, together we walk this extra mile. Doctors in the making, the future's bright. With Omkar Medicom's care, we'll reach new heights. Nanjing Medical, where dreams take flight, guided by Omkar's shining light. From the classrooms to the stars above, it's a journey of care, a labor of love. Together we rise, hand in hand, building futures on this promised land. Nanjing Medical, Omkar Medicom by your side. A bond of trust, a source of pride. Omkar Medicom and Nanjing Medical University, always by your side.
So here's to the journey, to the path ahead. With Omkar Medicom, no dream is left unsaid. Nanjing Medical, our beacon, our guide. Together we conquer, side by side. Where dreams take flight, with Omkar by your side.
Want to join Nanjing Medical University's English medium medical program? Omkar Medicom makes it happen. 15 years of unmatched service. Application to hostel allotment, everything we will do for you. We accept students from any country. Early applications get scholarships. Book your seat now to avoid frustration.
Thank you for watching our video. Kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. We upload new videos of different universities every week. See you in our next video.